Factor the expression x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 completely as possible. I'm just gonna rewrite it. X raised to 4 minus y raised to 4. You can factor out this polynomial by using difference of two squares. X squared plus y squared, the sum of two squares, multiplied by x squared minus y squared. Now, we can still factor this 2 out by using difference of two squares, because the problem states factor the expression completely as possible. So this term is still factorable, so we're still going to continue. X squared plus y squared. I just copied this. Now we're gonna use difference of two squares again. X plus y, and this is x minus y. Now we can see the answer is letter B. Now, what if you forgot how to factor, or you don't know how to use difference of two squares? Well, in this problem, it has choices. You can use a calc and they'll teach it to you. First, we input the given x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 calc, and we assign values for x and y. Let's put 1.5 equals, and for y 1.8, and you get the value negative 5.4351. I'm just gonna write it down so we can remember. It's negative 5.4351. Now we input the choices and also assign values for the same values as the given. Let's try A. X plus y x squared plus 2x y plus 2xy plus y squared calc equals, we get 35.937, which is not equal to negative 5.4351. So we still try other choices like letter B, x squared plus y squared, parenthesis, x plus y times x minus y calc equals, and you get the answer negative 5.4351. But let's still try to also input the letter C and letter D if we get the same results. X squared plus y squared x squared minus y squared calc equals. As you can see, you also get the value negative 5.4351. But letter C indicates the first is the first factor we got from the polynomial x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4. But you can still factor it out and we get letter B. So even if you get the same value for letter C, the answer, if you evaluate it closely, the expression that is completely factored out is letter B. Let's try letter D. 1 plus x squared parenthesis 1 plus y squared times 1 minus y squared calc is equals, and the answer is negative 30. So there you have it. The, how I That's how you factor using difference of two squares and using calc. Thank you and good luck, engineers.